Hey guys, it's Joe from Jordan Bikes, and today we've got for sale this. It is a Honda CBR1000RR Fireblade. So it's a 2013 on a 63 plate, it's done 17,104 miles. It's a beautiful bike, it's got the Scorpion exhaust, you've got the tinted screen there, you've got the Moto Graffix kit on the front just to keep it nice and protected. This one is fitted with the rear cowl. We do have a seat for it as well, and it also comes with a rear hugger. Bike's got a tail tidy on it, you've got some R&G protection on the engine and then down on the frame as well, so your boots aren't rubbing away at it. It is a 13 plate, so you do get that lovely digital display, and then you do get the multi-spoke wheel as well. They're a fantastic bike to ride of these. They're super lightweight, they're actually quite comfortable for a sports bike as well, and they go like the clappers. You get big piston shower manual adjustable suspension, which you can see there. I know they're a fantastic bike to ride. Sound fantastic as well. Like I say, it's got that Scorpion exhaust on, so we'll give it a fire up. And there we go, that is the CBR1000RR Fireblade. If you do want this one, be super quick, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes, or just simply give us a call. Thank you for watching.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very, very fussy, and we put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call, we can send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in, and as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring, you know where we are. Thank you for watching, cheers.